looking, and he does have his head on backwards right now, so you can't see. There we go.
Why does he keep staring?
Sure. Staring. Had it for a few days, and then they called us. Well, the time that they had it was a critical time that you can observe in these birds. The other, they can be noisy. We tend to think they're bullies, so we don't pay much attention to them. But if you do pay attention to blue jays, you will find that they have a language. Okay,
Just keep staring.
here, but let me tell you, put them out in a tree, you are not going to see them.
Is that a hawk? Is that the hawk? Is that another owl? No, ghost.
Well, dancing.
Oh
Yeah,
no.
look at all the dust. Me too, Ash.
The birds are here. You just have to open up your eyes and look. They are large, certainly much larger than the other birds I was just showing you. And this time of year, they're pretty easy to see. Commuting to work, they eat rats, they eat mice, they eat squirrels, they eat snakes. A lot of times they're coming down on the ground to capture their food and eat their food. So seeing a red-tailed hawk on the ground doesn't automatically
Have a name?
Well, he is warm. It is warm in here, and he's used.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes.